And welcome back to another episode of the Wright Family Rock Wallace, the biggest and the best where excellence is expected. You ain't moving around. I'm coming to sit with you. Come here, you little fat boy. Don't even try, big dog. Don't even try. Yeah, y'all know what we doing around here, Mom. Just loving on some rock Wallace, Mom. But you know what? Today, come on, y'all. Knock it off. Knock it off. Knock it off. Today, I want to take the time out. Come on now. Look at the bullet want to come. Oh, that. Watch out, B. Now, stop now. You ain't going to just take everything you want from me, girl. But I want to take my time out now, like I always do. And I want to thank, the breeders that got me in the game. My man, Tony. See, stop. Tony from Seatown Kennels and Butler Kennels. Tony from out of Texas. But I also want to pay homage to, man, I like that dude, Big Boss Kennels, man. I like that dude. He make me laugh. He a serious dude, but he make me laugh. Dallas, he out of Dallas. There's another dude I like out of Arkansas. I can't remember all of the names, you know what I'm saying? But it's just a couple other people. It's just one lady, white lady. She cool as hell. Got Rock Wallace, So I be watching. Come on, now stop. Now go on. Now go on. Quit looking me in my ear now. I don't have no whole lot of time to be doing stuff, but I watch. I do my best to keep up. But I also want to shout out right now to the dudes that's just beginning. You know what I'm saying? Them starting kennels. The ones who all the dogs might not be yours. Stop now, stop. Who all the dogs might not be yours, Man, keep going. Everybody started where you starting at, bro. I don't care if you got one dog or you got 11. I started out with 11. And I tell you what, I bought 4 from Tony. I bought 1 from, I bought 4 from Tony, 2 from, my dude from Seatown Kennels, and the rest of them mama had. Them my dogs. Them my dogs. The biggest dogs on my yard is mine. The biggest dogs on my yard I produce. Yeah, they come out of mama. You know what I'm saying? So if you ever want to see the mother of my dogs, you'll come to my yard and you can see her. You know what I'm saying? You can't see the father, Xander. They put that boy out. He on the farm someplace. Now stop now. Big old dogs. He on the farm someplace. But yeah, them my creations. But to everybody, man, who started out, and then you got the baba. Yeah, but to my small kennel people, stop, hush, mama. To my small kennel people, man, keep pushing, man. Everybody started where you at. Don't let nobody or no thing discourage you, man. You gonna hear people say this, you gonna hear people say that. They ain't gonna be saying it to you in 3 or 4 years, 4 or 5 years, because that's the time it's gonna take you to really produce something yourself. That's the time it's gonna take, because you gotta figure, you gotta buy a dog from somebody. You might buy 2 from the same place. You might buy 1 from here, 1 from there. You gotta let them dogs mate. Keep a dog from the mating, whether boy or girl. Then you gotta have another dog to be able to mate with that dog. So for your boy, it take you, 16 months or so for the boy to be able to produce? Before a girl, it take 22 months. So, man, this is a process, man. This is a process, man. For real. But if you got faith in and you trust in and you stand behind what you put together, push it. And don't let nobody stop you, bro. Don't let nobody stop you. Because